Hi friends, welcome to another video. This one is going to be just of me telling you guys about my new schedule I have for you guys. I'm going to have the weekends off unless I have like a random video I just want to throw out there for you guys for a surprise or for fun. But I feel like if I have an actual schedule for you guys, I won't be as burnt out. I'll feel more productive and I'll be just more there for you guys too. So I am going to be doing most likely weekends off. Unless I have like a random video like I said, but I will be doing a Motivational Monday, which is going to be like a cleaning video, which I know you guys all love those. Tuesdays are going to be our Tasty Tuesday videos, you know, because I do my recipes those days, and I do that with Rachel, and then sometimes I throw in some other people as well. Wednesday is going to be my Wellness Wednesday video of basically just an update on my health, my weight loss journey, just some other stuff. It's just, it might even make it some, might be fun. I don't know. Maybe serious, maybe fun. I don't know. We'll see how it is that Wednesday, but I'll probably film it on a Tuesday and upload it on the Wednesday. And Thursday is going to be, I'm so excited about this one. It is Throw It Out Thursdays. Yay! I'm going to get rid of stuff. I have been so overwhelmed that my house has been so messy lately. I have just been like, I have so much junk where I'm like, I don't know what to do with it, and I see it and I want to do something with it, and then I get ready to do something with it, and then I get overwhelmed and I'm like saying screw it. I get depressed and I get really angry and just not myself. So it's not healthy mentally and emotionally to live in such a disordered area. So yeah, I'm going to have a Throw It Out Thursday where I declutter something. And yeah, every single Thursday. I'm so excited about that. And Fridays are going to be my random Fridays. I feel like maybe throw a vlog in there maybe, or a shopping haul, or an anti-haul. I want to do an anti-haul sometime. My husband wants me to also, I don't have to shop. And then my beauty faves, you know, stuff like that. Maybe throw a live video in. So we'll see. I don't know. It's going to be just a random day. So it's going to be like a, you know, spin the wheel, what's it going to land on kind of day. So that's how it's going to be. I hope you guys are excited about that. I hope you guys approve. And yeah, I'm excited because I feel like I'll be better for you guys because you guys are what motivates me to do this. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think, and yeah, let me know what you're most excited about too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again later. I'm gonna try to upload a Motivational Monday video today since today is Monday. We will see. I'm gonna try because I want to start this week. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!